Hey everybody, welcome back to Tekblits. And so in this video I'm going to do a real quick PSA sort of helpful guide fix for you here. Hopefully we can keep our GPUs from dying. So this video is about primarily 3090 cards, EVGA, some 3080s. Probably could be in the mix of this problem, but what the problem is with the New World closed beta at the moment. It's in the closed beta for New World. If you're playing the game, when you launch the game, it goes ahead and goes haywire. It has unlimited frame rates, and your card just kind of overloads, and it kills GPU. So I'm going to show you a real quick fix for it. So simply to limit the power draw that New World's engine is going to draw from your graphics card, you want to go into your control panel, okay? And so from there, manage 3D settings. Now this is for NVIDIA cards. This isn't going to be anything AMD. Sorry if you guys are playing on AMD graphics cards. You're going to have to figure it out in the AMD software. But you go to the program settings, you add, so you may not have it here. You could do it in global settings, but you should probably just do it in program settings unless you're having issues across other games. So you want to go ahead and add New World closed beta, New World launcher, okay, add that into your program settings, okay, and then so what I'm going to do, since I have a 144 Hz G-Sync monitor, I'm going to set it to 138 for a frame rate cap. That way when I am playing New World, the frame rate never goes over 138, which should always keep the card under minimal load. Now obviously if you have a lower Hertz monitor, 120 Hz, 60 Hz monitor, just set it to that, whatever. And if you're skeptical and you have a feeling you're scared that your card's gonna die, just set it to 60 or less anyways. But for me, I'm gonna set it to 138 because that's just a good number for my G-Sync, and it shouldn't overload my card. I play at 4K anyway, so it will never hit 138. But if you guys are even more scared of your card dying, just set your max frame rate to 138. Now you can also go to power management and hit normal and make sure you're not on prefer maximum in case that it is. And if you guys are still unhappy or you're still worried that this will crash your game or crash your graphics card, you can always come down here, hit VSync, and enable that. And that will ensure that you 100% all the time VSync capped to your monitor's refresh rate, so your graphics card is not gonna go over that and fry itself. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, guys, and hopefully we will get a patch for this soon, and I will keep you guys updated if we do. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.